Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change character in Shadowhunter Lost World. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we go ahead and change character, we need to click onto the settings icon and make sure we've got our game linked to either Google Play or Facebook. So I'm going to link it to my Google Play account. And now simply go through the process of linking it via your Google Play, or you can do Facebook. Now once you've done that, you're going to have a user ID here as well, so you can see it is linked. Now I suggest saving your information, so go ahead and save as well. Then from here, simply go ahead and click onto log out. So click on log out, and yes, you do want to save. All right, so I'm going to overwrite that, click save. And now basically what we want to do is come to this back to the start of the game to go ahead and choose a character. So you can see here, we can go ahead and choose a character and start playing Shadowhunter Lost World as a different player or character.